E eu sou índio do Brasil e luto contra a opressão. E nessa nova era, a minha flecha é o meu som, que chega com respeito pra honrar os ancestrais. Meus heróis me bem ao crédito, Burduna e Coca, que lutaram bravamente contra a ordem nacional, deixando com orgulho a herança florescer. Tenha medo, tamo junto nesse mundo pra unificar. Seja você em qualquer lugar. Seja você, seja você, seja você, seja você.
Amazon rainforest. I mean, this is the Earth's richest terrestrial ecosystem, which is home to the most biodiverse habitat we have on Earth, on land, but it's also a major carbon stock and a carbon sink. Science now shows that the Brazilian part of the Amazon has already tipped over from sink to source. If there's anything that can keep me awake at night, it's that finding. It is very, very dangerous. And of course, the big fear, which many Brazilian scientists show, is that push deforestation and global warming a bit further, just a bit further, and we risk crossing a tipping point, which would mean an irreversible loss of a rainforest into a savanna state because of forest fires and drought-induced, rapid degradation of the forest.
And I hope that the rest of the world will also be able to keep expectations and pressure up, and the political leaders of Brazil, that we don't want to see this destroyed, and it means something to the whole world.
Welcome to Transformers, the podcast about how business people and policymakers are creating a sustainable future. I'm your host, Kai Embren.